Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be unboxing my mom's Apple Watch Series 5. I'm pretty sure it's gold, 4.4mm. Let's get started. Ooh, they have pull tabs. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Smartwatches, especially Apple Watches, are very popular these days. They honestly really are. Like, you'd be quite surprised. People's favorite gadgets now are pretty much Apple Watches. My watches are not fit for one, which is why I don't have one. Well, technically I do. I have my Series 0, but
yes, that's what I like because they're different.
what are you thinking? It's perfect. Let me get it open here. Oh. Man, this is a scam for a fake.
I normally don't have such a problem. I don't just have it inserted in here. I think it's sort of underneath the pad of the shoe. Oh, I got that one. It's okay. It's not quite the. And they look different in person than what I thought in the picture of them. I don't know if that's very flattering, really, for my foot.
Let me see. Walk around.
Well, can't get the thing out of the other shoe.
Okay.
It's comfortable for walking in, but.
No, I like they're modern. Black pants really are beautiful. I wear black all the time.
Yeah. I wonder why I can't get this open. So sorry wasting it for nothing. Oh my goodness.
Well, that's my problem. My right hand isn't doing this thing right now.
Ooh, this is shiny. Look at this.
It's like it's underneath the bottom of the shoe.
You will also find some paperwork, power adapter, Apple Watch charger, and all that. Yeah. See ya, bye.